1,000 subscribers. Good morning, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're not gonna do any like major cooking like a lot of person used to Jamaican food and a son like rice and peas, fried chicken, curry goat. But today I do burger, chicken burger. So I'm using some chicken breast. So I wash off it with vinegar. A little bit more water. So my neighbor said we do not want any rice and peas today, so we decided on doing some homemade burger with sweet potato fries. I'm washing out the chicken breast. So I'm just gently beating the chicken breast just to flat it out a little bit. So I'm not using a lot of excess pressure on it. Going through doing the next one. Guys, I want to say thanks again for the 1,000 subscribers. And when you are subscribing to someone's channel, not only my channel alone, always remember to turn on the post notification bell, so when persons upload a video, you can get the video, which is a notification, pop up on your phone, tablet, etc. Because for example, I have over 1,000 subscribers, but when I upload a video, I'm not getting not even 100 views, so I don't know what's going on. So just remember that we as a YouTuber, we also need you guys support to help for the platform to grow. So if you guys are not watching the content, then the platform won't grow. So just remember to turn on the post notification bell, and even 2 minutes of the video, just watch even 2 minutes of the video, we really appreciate it. Thank you. I'm gonna clean up the season. So I'm using 1 small onion, 1 stalk of scallion, using a small piece of the bell pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, small piece of thyme. I'm just going through and cleaning them up. Piece of ginger, a small piece. So I'm just gonna use a small portion because it's not really a lot of meat. Green pepper. Just washing them. So I'm just gonna blend out the season. So the chicken breast can absorb the season, so you get more of the flavor out of it. I'm stripping the onion. So I'm adding just a little bit of water. But just a little bit more. Blend out it just a little bit more. So I'm getting the seasoning well some more. I'm gonna add some powdered seasoning, which is my chicken season, all-purpose seasoning, and just a little bit of pimento seed on it. I'm gonna leave it to marinate for 20 minutes. So I'm adding a little bit of pimento seed, some meat season, so I'm adding in some all-purpose season and just a little bit of chicken season. So I'm seasoning and taste just to ensure that it is not too salt. So I'm peeling my sweet potato. Just gonna add them into the water. Just add a little cooking oil into the water. Cooking oil gonna help to prevent them from changing color. Cutting up the potato. So homemade chips today. Sweet potato chips. I'm adding them into the water with the cooking oil. egg. So the chicken done marinate. So this is the flour and this is the chicken. So I'm not gonna add any paprika or any forms of season to the powdered season to the flour, because the chicken already seasoned to my taste, where you have enough season. Fire go on ketchup. I'm gonna pour the egg over the chicken breast. Adding in the cooking oil. I'm trying to finish up because it seems like the rain is gonna fall today. Hopefully I can finish before the rain, guys, to be honest. I don't really want the rain to wet me up again. I'm gonna dip the chicken into the flour. Then I'm gonna coat it. The oil is hot by now. I'm dusting off it a little bit. I'm checking on the chicken breast, taking out the ones that are fried. I'm just placing it on the paper towel. Taking out the chicken. So I'm just putting them on the paper towel, just to drain off the excess amount of grease. Oh, I am going to fry the chips. Yep, sweet potato chips. This is the first one coming out of it. Guys, can't wait for the food done. And it's kind of different today because it's a burger vlog. You know, different from what many Jamaican person used to, rice and peas and fried chicken. So today, I'm switching up the thing. So I'm checking on the fries. adding the final batch of fries. So I'm taking out the chips and they are ready. So I'm cutting the burger bread, guys, so I'm just gonna warm it up a little bit. Yes, sir. I'm gonna use a tomato, put it into the water, purple onion, so guys, if the noise is bothering you, it's a construction site next door, so they are working on the house, so that's why you are hearing like the hammer knocking. So sorry about that, that is out of my control. So I'm washing the vegetables, the lettuce. Adding some mayonnaise in the bread. More mayonnaise. So not you have some person who don't like a lot of mayonnaise. So, but we like mayonnaise though, guys. And to give you a joke about it, when I was small, I wouldn't eat it. Like mayonnaise wasn't something that I would ever eat. But growing up, like, changes. So I'm not putting on any onion on my never one because we do not want the onion on this. So that's my one. Guys, we come to the end of the video, and please like, share, comment, subscribe for more video. We are out.